Hey guys, I'm out in the field. Our weather is really nice here in Arizona, southern Arizona, and it was a challenging day today because as you can see, I'm kind of putting the camera up. It's a sort of an overcast day. We call it overcast day in the desert here, and the light gets pretty flat, and the sun was kind of in and out because you can kind of see from the clouds it's sort of broken up here and there, and I like the scene. I'm going to show you in a second what I painted in the scene, but it's I had to stick with it because the clouds were in and out. So when you're dealing with a day such as this, where the clouds are in and out, pick the light source. Meaning, if you like where it's dark, you know, when it's overcast, I should say, painted as such. And when the sun comes out, if you like that, then paint it such. Don't. It's impossible to go back and forth, basically, and it is challenging. But I urge you to stick with it, even though it's a little bit cloudy, because um, the results could be pretty good. And the idea is that to study when you're outside, try to get those values, colors, and design is important too, obviously. But I tend to work on design more indoors on it. So yeah, just stick with it when it's a in and out kind of day. That's why I call it when it's cloudy and a little bit sunny. So I'm gonna flip it around and just show you some images of the scene and where I'm at, and yeah, enjoy it.